year. Alam po natin lahat ng mga plans natin last year. Parang tinitingnan lang natin siya as somewhat parang ito yung gusto natin na tahakin for this year. Akala natin medyo imposible. Pero with syempre yung lakas ng loob at lahat po ng kumbaga contribution ng bawat isa, determination na binigay dito sa mesa
18, I'm reading the subtitles here, the English subs.
natin. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami. At gusto din namin ibalik syempre sa inyo lahat ng syempre lahat ng hard work nyo. Sana po for this year din nakakuha rin pa rin kayo ng maayos na pahinga, maayos na and use family during Christmas break. But ayun, hindi ko na rin po alam yung sasabihin ko. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat. Gusto ko lang din po talagang sabihin na thank you for making this a very fruitful and wonderful year. Maraming salamat po, Wonzy, and sa lahat po ng syempre kasama sa bumubuo ng iba pang mga ina-outsource namin ng mga kaibigan at pamilya namin dyan. Maraming salamat. Enter dito, security, W3, at sa lahat po sa inyo. Ayun, baka may gusto pa kayong sabihin, everyone. Nauubusan na po ako dito.
Gusto ko lang din ikaw.
I really like, those words from Josh. I mean, the way he is appreciating the ones is tough. That's how you do it.
Congratulate lahat, guys. Lahat kayo, lahat tayo. Sa lahat ng achievements na nagawa natin. Small man yan or malaki. For this year, we've conquered so much. Marami tayong pinagdaanan, paghihirap, saya, new experiences, new learnings. So, sana next year baunin natin lahat yon and bago man yung i-treat ng inyong mga sarili at maging masaya. So, ayun. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. First of
One thing I just noticed, where is Kane? Where is our Felipe? Yo, Felipe is not there. I hope he's okay and he's well. He's doing well,
Po, thank you so much for spending the night with us. Maraming salamat po. Just to make it short, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakasama namin sa journey na to from the start until now. Before wala akong naniniwala sa amin, pero looking at you guys tonight, masasabi kong hindi man naging strong yung foundation namin, pero mas grabe yung sumusuporta sa amin ngayon. At nandyan kayong lahat, kaya maraming salamat. Marami man tayong ginawa this year, but we promise next year, mas marami tayong gagawin. At let's claim it na magiging successful ang lahat kasi magtutulungan tayo together. Thank you so much. Wakas ng 2025 at simula ng 2026.
It was basically say that whenever I look at you guys, I feel motivated and you guys give me motivation to do a lot more work, That's what Stel said basically. And yeah, they're so thankful to Onesie stuff, all the Onesie members, and SB19 notes it's not only about them, it's about the people around them, the people working behind the scenes. It's all about them as well. So it's not only about SB19. That's the reason why they're appreciating everyone, every single person in that room.
Ayun po, maraming salamat po. Salamat ulit sa pagdalo dito sa year-end party natin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm so proud of what we have here. Sobrang talentado ng mga tao na nandito. Ayun po, maraming salamat po. Salamat ulit sa pagdalo dito sa year-end party natin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm so proud of what we have here. Sobrang talentado ng mga tao na nandito ngayon. Kanina lang may mga sumayaw. Hindi mo in-expect, napakalulupit. Pero sobrang tayo po nangyari ngayong taon. Mga ambitious projects na hindi mo akalain na magagawa natin all together. Yung team na lumipad, nag-tour, yung mga marketing strategies or mga talagang initiatives natin, talagang nagawa natin siya. Maraming learnings, pero ultimately, nag-succeed tayo. And we will keep raising the bar higher next year. So maraming salamat po sa buhay ng lahat. Kayo talaga yung talagang nagpupush namin para ma-achieve namin yung mga na-envision namin in the future. And sama-sama po tayo aangat. Maraming salamat po. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Happy holidays po! Thank you guys!
Thank you po. Yes.
Love the full page from SB19. Of course, missing the Kane's page, but at the same time, I want to say a few words about our Mahalema, since they gave their speech, their nicest speech, and yeah, I always talk about this. Of course, it's once a year-end party, and yeah, the way they were appreciating Onesie stuff, Onesie members. I mean, sometimes we don't appreciate Onesie stuff. I mean, we always talk about SB19, but I want everyone to talk about Onesie stuff on Twitter, mention them on Twitter, mention them everywhere, because they work hard as well behind the scenes. They do a lot of things, and the reason why, similar at Wilcox Walter is so successful, because these people who work under Onesie entertainment, they do a lot of work. They do a lot of work behind the scenes. Like management wise, they're organizing these big events, and they set where Esmeralda will perform next, in which country. So I mean, these are huge things, guys. These are very hard to manage. We all know. That's the reason why I'm saying that, since it's a Onesie entertainment party, Onesie year-end celebration, that's the reason why I'm talking about Onesie. So I hope people will appreciate them more and more. And personally, I just want to thank, I just want to give big shout out to all the Onesie stuff. They're absolutely amazing. The way they support our Mahalima, the way they support SB19 in every single situation. Hats off to them. And yeah, I would say thanks to SB19 for making a perfect year. I mean, similar artwork, cause World Tour was absolutely crazy. The day before yesterday, I was talking about like SB19 literally performed how many cities? I can't even count, but they performed literally everywhere. So it's a huge thing, and more good things, amazing things coming next year. I can tell you that SB19 will have a world tour next year as well. A new album is coming, probably a homecoming concert going to happen. SB19 already gave us, some hints. So yeah, next year, this year was exciting, but the next year it's gonna be more exciting, guys. I can't wait for next year. It's gonna be very, very special. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. But yeah, I'm missing Kane in this video. I hope he's okay.